Here's how you can turn this research into a blog post about mini chocolate chip cookies. Next to our small cookies group here, let's go to the right and click Create Brief or Content. Then, let's create a brief in ContentShake. Click Apply. It'll load a bunch of competitor articles. Go through and select the ones that are the most relevant. Then click Continue. It'll come up with a suggested title and length for an article. I'm going to click Show Suggestions and see what it comes up with. I'm actually going to change it to Easy Mini Chocolate Chip Cookies Recipe. Then I'll click Continue. Next, it'll propose a bunch of secondary keywords. These are all pulled in from our list. We can also go in and add some additional suggested keywords. That looks good to me. I'll go ahead and click Continue. You can scroll through to look at the proposed structure and make any changes that you want. At the bottom, you can click Show Suggestions, and it'll have some AI suggestions as well as used by competitors. For our demo, I'm just going to use the proposed one. Click Continue. It'll come up with some meta info, for example, a description. Here it suggests an optimal length of 50 to 160 characters. I like what this came up with, so I'll click Finish. Now we have an SEO content brief, which we can click Share at the top right and share read-only access to send to our creative team. Or we can use this as a template in Google Docs to write our article. Alternatively, you can click Generate SEO Article and have ContentShake inside of Semrush create an article for you. Today, let's try this method. Semrush will spend a few minutes thinking about your article based on your brief. When ContentShake finishes processing, you'll get to see the article that it created. Scroll through and check it out. It's usually a pretty good starting point and has a lot of information, but I do recommend going through and customizing it. When you're ready to export the article, click Publish. From here, you can publish directly to a WordPress site if you have one, or you can send it to a Google Doc, and from there you can edit it more. When it sends to Google Docs, click Open Document, and then it'll open right up, and you have an editable document right there. A few tweaks I recommend making. Right at the start of your article, summarize key points clearly, maybe a bullet point list with ingredients and quick prep instructions. Use concise, structured formatting like lists or tables, and aim for a 40 to 60 word summary, as Google often pulls featured snippets from well-organized direct answers. Including an FAQ section with common questions related to the content can further improve snippet eligibility. You can use Semrush's suggested keyword questions as a starting point. I also recommend including clear, appealing images of the content. In our case, I would add pictures of cookies. The current top-ranked sites all use visuals prominently. With AI content everywhere, the best way to stand out is by sharing first-hand experience. Demonstrating real expertise signals authority, making your content more valuable to both human audiences and search engines. Google prioritizes trustworthy, original insights, so give it a personal touch, something that AI can't replicate. If you found this helpful, I'd love it if you hit like or left a quick comment about your favorite tip. If you haven't already, make sure to grab your exclusive 14-day free trial of Semrush using the link in the description. This will give you full access to everything we covered today, so you can start applying these strategies right away.